Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is January the 14th. Chart of the day for today is silver right here, 60 minutes time frame. We can see the metal ended with W here around 28.74 and then ended the X rally at $30.66 and then starting to turn lower. And the structure of the decline sort of looks impulsive right now, and could still see one more push on the downside to finish with 5 before we finish this cycle and then see a 3-way rally. But the 3-way rally currently is expected to fail against this 30.6 and then continues to extend on the downside. So here we still do not have a now the arrow is still turning down. Is because the reason is we still need to break below that previous low in order for the arrow to turn really bearish, to turn red, which is a bearish sequence if it is red. Okay, now if I zoom out to the daily time frame, right, and give you a slightly larger degree perspective. So let me copy this W in red over here on the daily, and also on the X in red also on the daily here. So what happens here is, as you can see, silver formed the low here back in October last year at around 35, and then from there we can clearly see so far we got 3 waves down, but then the third leg in this particular case has not quite reached the 100% extension, right? So since it has not reached the 100%, there is a chance it continue to go down, because as you know, when you have a 3 swings sequence, typically in the third leg, ideally, it's not always, but ideally you reach at least 100% in an ABC or WXY, and if it is with 3 in an impulse, then the third leg can reach 1.618. But here we have not reached the 100%, so again there is a chance, a scope for further downside extension until it reaches this 100% over here, right? And therefore, again, a potential target on the downside can go to as low as 27 all the way down to 23.8 if it is reaching 1.618. okay, and as a result, again, if we go back in the 1 hour, we finish this X in a 3 waves, but in order to fully confirm this turns red again, we need to break below W again. That will create another confirmation that the move down has really started, and we are not going to be, let's say, doing a double like this, for example. We can technically still do double as an alternate view, but currently we are not calling that. And also in the decline, again, shorter cycle, it kind of looks impulsive, again favoring the idea we can see for the downside below 30.6. all right, now if we do get further upside instead, let's say, and let's say we broke above this trend line here, the one that I draw, then there is a chance this cycle truncates. Truncates meaning we don't reach 100%, right? But in order, so then basically if we just simply rally higher and break above 30.6, then I think the cycle truncates, and that means we are not going to reach $27 anymore, and this cycle could be finished and then starting to turn higher, either to a new high or to do a bigger rally like this before lower again, right? But because silver in the larger time frame semi-school is bullish, and that means that if it truncates, most likely we're going to be adopting the more bullish posture and not going to be looking for another double anymore like this. If it simply breaks above 30.6 again. But for now, that's not the primary call, since again the sequence is incomplete, this lower low plus this decline looks kind of impulsive. So then we are currently calling for more downside below 30.6 with a potential target as low as 27 when this one reaches 100%. all right, so I hope this is clear, and as always, if you want to get more updates on silver or any other commodities, forex, indices, stocks, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial, and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.